Do you believe that the best way to win sport betting is by playing sure to us every day? Or do you have any options that you know that is profitable in this sport betting business? Let me know in the comment section. But first of all, I want to say congratulations to all our VIP subscribers and all those people that play premium games. Today, it's been back-to-back winning for the past 3 weeks now. So if you are part of those people that win today, kindly drop your winning ticket in the comment section and also share this video with your friends. Do not forget to tag your friends so that they will also benefit. I've mentioned earlier that I'll be dropping a free premium ticket on our backup page, that is our Facebook backup page. So I will leave the link of that backup page in the comment section. So go and follow that page. I will be dropping games there every morning by 8 a.m. on daily basis. So do not forget to interact with that page, share, comment, and then drop your winning ticket whenever you win in the comment section of every post. So congratulations once again. And if you want to join our VIP and win daily, my WhatsApp link is in the comment section. Chat me up on WhatsApp, I'll add you up, and then we continue from there. Don't forget that it's a paid service, it's not free, it's not pay after. The subscription fee is affordable for everyone to join. So thank you so much for staying tuned. I will see you there in the VIP premium. Thank you.